Welcome to Maharaja Agrasen Public School. Students, you have already learned many features of Microsoft PowerPoint in the previous class. Microsoft PowerPoint is a component of Microsoft Office suite. It enables you to make effective and appealing presentations by adding text, diagrams, scan images, clip arts, sounds, colors, designs, and animated special effects. Presentation is made up of a collection of slides arranged in a sequential manner to entertain, motivate, convey, pursue, or impart information. A slide is like a page in a presentation that displays a brief information you want to communicate with your audience. These slides are grouped together in a sequence to form a slideshow. A slideshow is a presentation of a series of slides on a projection screen or electronic display device displayed in sequence. PowerPoint is a powerful communication tool used to present our views and ideas effectively through visual aids. It is widely used in the business world and also in schools. And also in schools to learn different topics. This helps in providing a better understanding of the subject. We can easily import data from Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, etc. into a PowerPoint presentation. In PowerPoint 2010, we can also insert videos from websites through the internet using copy and paste. We can generate handout material and speakers notes after creating a presentation. PowerPoint 2010 gives us the ability to upload our presentation using the free PowerPoint broadcast service. PowerPoint. Now you can see with PowerPoint you can enter and edit text easily, change the appearance of information, organize and arrange information and so on. Starting Microsoft PowerPoint. First step, click on the start button. Second step, select all programs. Third step, choose the Microsoft Office. Fourth step, click on the Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. On starting PowerPoint, a blank presentation named Presentation 1 with a title slide appears. See here, Presentation 1 title slide. Creating a new presentation. To create a new presentation, follow these steps. Click on the File tab here. Click on the File tab and select the New option from the drop-down menu. Choose the Blank Presentation option under the Available Templates and Themes section. Here, Blank Presentation option. Click on the Create button. The slide displays the dotted rectangular boxes called placeholders. A blank presentation uses the default settings for text and color. Click on the Layout button in the Slides group on the Home tab and select the desired layout from the displayed list as shown in figure 5.4. Now add text in the placeholders of the slide. वही स्टेप यहाँ पे मैंने लिखे हैं. You can go through. Layout option and title slide. Built-in templates. Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 does not contain the auto content wizard for creating a presentation. If you are new to PowerPoint, you can create your presentation quickly and easily by using built-in templates. PowerPoint 2010 templates include a sample slideshow that contains various themes and layouts including most of those that existed in the auto content wizard. Templates give you an initial foundation to build a presentation. We can modify text and design of template, add pictures, sound, company's logo, or can also delete existing contents from the template. Now, how to create a presentation using built-in templates? Go to the File tab, then select New option. Under the Available Templates and Themes section, select the Sample Templates. Select Introducing PowerPoint 2010 from the displayed list. Click on the Create button. The selected template will open a new presentation. This new presentation contains 20 slides illustrating different slide layouts, backgrounds, themes, etc. ये built-in templates होता है जिसका कलर, फॉन्ट का कलर, बैकग्राउंड का कलर सब कुछ इनबिल्ट ही होता है, बन के रेडी होता है, जिसका हम हमारे प्रेजेंटेशन में यूज़ करना चाहे तो हम कर सकते हैं. Now add text in the placeholders of each slide and view the slide show. Creating a presentation using built-in templates. Let us learn how to edit a template and design it according to our requirements. जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले बताया, under available templates and themes, do one of the following to reuse a template that you have recently used. Click Reset Templates. When you find the template that you want, click it to see the details and then click Create. Selecting sample templates. Here is a my template. Here you can see from File tab, you can see different format of templates over here. Applying themes. Themes are the sets of pre-designed formats that include text, layouts, background and color schemes, etc. that can be applied to any presentation to give it a professional look. Click on the Design tab. Under the Themes group, scroll the mouse. See, this one is your Design tab. Under the Themes group, scroll the mouse over the available thumbnail of themes. Or to view more themes, click on the More drop-down menu at the bottom right of the Themes group. This will open the Themes gallery. Select the desired theme type. You will get the selected theme on the slide. See, different type की theme है ये. If you will click here, you can see more themes, right? Changing color scheme. Every presentation comes with color schemes. You can change the color scheme of the complete presentation or a single slide. The colors of specific elements on a slide such as title and the background can also be changed. Open any slide of a presentation, click on the Design tab. You will find a gallery of different themes in the Themes group. Preview the effect of any theme before selecting it for your slide by hovering the mouse over it. Right click on the selected theme. A shortcut menu appears. Select the Set as default theme option. The theme will be applied to all the slides. Click on the Colors button and select the desired color scheme from the drop-down list. To apply the color scheme to all the slides, right click on the color scheme and select the Apply to all slides option. In case you want to apply the color scheme only to the selected slide, सारी slide पे नहीं, सिर्फ सिलेक्टेड स्लाइड पे ही आपको कलर स्कीम चाहिए, तो सिलेक्टेड स्लाइड ही करें और अप्लाई टू सिलेक्टेड स्लाइड्स ऑप्शन पे जाना पड़ेगा। चेंजिंग बैकग्राउंड कलर, ये आप देख सकते हो कलर का ऑप्शन यहाँ पे। Changing background color. You can change the background color, pattern and texture of a slide. To change the background color, click on the background styles button present in the background group on the design tab. A list of options will be displayed. As you move the mouse over a background style, it is reflected on the slide. Select the required background. Click on the format background option of the background styles button. See, format background option of the background styles button. The format background dialog box will appear. Click on the fill tab. Here is a fill tab. Here is a fill tab, and select any fill style option. Solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill, pattern fill. You can see. Click on the color drop down arrow if you want to select a different color apart from the displayed colors. Select the more colors option from the list. The color dialog box appears as shown in figure. Click on the standard tab. Click on the standard tab and choose the color you want. You can also select the custom tab and create your own color scheme. Click OK. You will be directed to the format background dialog box on the screen. Click on the apply to all button. Inserting smart art. Smart art is a graphics tool that allows you to present data or information visually in the form of pyramids, diagrams, matrix, etc. These graphics help in conveying our ideas and messages easily and effectively. It contains a variety of graphical layouts and diagrams to display data in a presentation. Select a slide from the slides pane where you wish to insert the smart art. Click on the Insert tab. Select the Smart Art button in the illustration group. The Choose a Smart Art gallery, graphic gallery is displayed. Select a type of smart art. For example, select the hierarchy option and then choose the organization chart layout on the right side. Click OK. See here, hierarchy option. Choose the organization chart. Several charts over here. On the right side and click here. OK. A blank presentation chart will get inserted on the slide as shown in figure. The Design and Format tabs appear under the Smart Art tools. Now click inside a box in the Smart Art graphic to add text to it. Add text at different levels and delete the unwanted boxes by clicking on the box and pressing the delete key. Viewing a presentation. You can view your presentation in different formats. How? Such as normal view, slide sorter view and slideshow. Most of the view buttons are available in the presentation views group on the view tab. By default, a user always works in a normal view. Which one is your by default view? Normal view. Normal view. It is the main editing view which is used to write and design the presentation. In the normal view, you can add text, graphics, sound, animation and other effects to your slides as well. You have a large view of an individual slide, notes pane at the bottom, an outline of the slide text and slides displayed as thumbnails all at the same time. To open this view, select the View tab and click on the Normal button. Click on the Normal View icon on the status bar. You can see Normal View icon here. Slide sorter view. It displays a miniature view of all the slides in a presentation. In slide sorter view, you can change the order of the slides, insert or delete the slides, add transitions and set the timings for the slide show. Select the view tab and click on the slide sorter button here. अगर आपने किसी स्लाइड का नंबर कोई आपने प्रेजेंटेशन रेडी किया पर आपको लगता है कि जो 2 नंबर वाली स्लाइड है वो 1 नंबर में आनी चाहिए, 1 नंबर वाली स्लाइड 2 नंबर में आनी चाहिए, सो यू कैन डू अ चेंज इन अ स्लाइड सॉर्टर व्यू. You will see all the slides of your presentation and a thick border around the selected slide. See, यहाँ से मैं इसको सिलेक्ट करके इसको 2 नंबर में ले लूँगी और इसको 1 नंबर में, क्योंकि ये दोनों मुझे इंटरचेंज करनी है. कहाँ से करूँगी मैं? स्लाइड सॉर्टर व्यू में जाके. नोट्स पेज व्यू. Notes page is available on the View tab. If you add notes while working in normal view, you can see them in the Notes page view. It displays an image of the selected slide along with the notes related to that slide. These notes are helpful to the presenter while showing the presentation. Reading view. Using this view, you can view the presentation as a slideshow that fits within a window. You will use this view when you run the presentation on your computer, not showing it to the audience. Slide show view. This view is used when you deliver your presentation to the audience. It displays the slides in a sequence in full screen mode. देख सकते हैं आप full screen mode में है ये slide show view. To view slide show, click on the slide show button on the status bar or select the slide show tab and click on the from beginning or from current slide button, or you can also use F5 key to view the slide show. Thank you, children.